Hey guys, it's Blue, and today we're gonna go thrifting. Oh, I should call it Thrifting with Blue. I'm gonna write that down.
I'm snapping. That shit ain't fun, he just capping. He give me top and won't stop. I'm busting just like his Glock. No rope, but my bitches don't want smoke.
Why you gotta be so... So this is actually me just like on the way there and like in the store. But if you want to skip ahead to me actually making it, I'll leave the time below for you to do that.
I'm just smiling.
We're gonna go to a Goodwill, a little thrift store, or something like that. And I'm going to try to find a piece to transform. So yeah, here's my sister.
Hey.
Yeah, so we're going to this place. It looks really pleasing, like to the eye.
It's called Avalon.
Yeah, so hopefully, I keep looking outside. I need to look at the camera. Hopefully, we find something. Outfit of the day. We are a basic bitch. You don't really need to show it, but hey, I don't know. Our outfit's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. It's like a. Oh, you look cute.
Chill.
Yeah, it's like you look cute. Like
He ain't got a
some light, some light,
Makes the
some
right
light.
weight.
That's it. I don't know if I want to like order like here or from here.
Does it matter, bro?
My good side matters. I'm not even looking at anything. Okay, let me actually look. What is this? This stuff is actually cute. I'm trying to find something ugly to like. Where's the big stuff? Maybe a little dress. Okay. So the key is to pick something big.
Okay, I'm gonna get this. Yeah, I like it.
I'm gonna still think about it though, but I'm probably gonna get this. So actually, I was very surprised with this store. I honestly liked everything in it. It was actually really nice. I love the setting. I love the paintings. I love everything about the store. Like, it just looked pretty. And the things it had in it was actually cute. Like those Tory Burch sandals, those neon green ones. Yeah, those are cute. But anyways, yeah, there goes my sister. So I wanted to show you guys how the store looked. They had like some Chanel shoes. They had Gucci slides. They had Gucci bags, Louis Vuitton bags, all of that. Like, they had everything you can imagine, which was really nice. There goes some shoes I wanted to show you guys. But yeah, okay, I'll stop talking. Okay, so here is the part where you can't be sloppy. You can always cut too little and fix it, but if you cut too much, you're done. So right now, I'm cutting the sides off. But don't cut it too much. Like, you're supposed to have a dress or something that fits you to, you know, have like a little template. But I kind of eyeballed it, which I always do, which you shouldn't do that. But right now, I'm just cutting off the sides. And always just cut a little bit. Go little by little. You don't want to cut too much off. So now I'm just cutting across the top because I want it to be like a tube dress. I just wanted to make it something really easy. I always like to check to make sure I cut it even. And I want it to be a little bit shorter. So I just cut off the top. Little snippets, I'm telling you. Because trust me, I've did so many wrong things doing this. So now I'm just really just trimming it off. Try to make it a little bit more, you know, my size. Big tip. Flip it over to make sure you cut it even and make sure everything's even. It's going to help you in the long run. Trust me. I've made a couple uneven things that I had thrown away. It was sad. So the rest of this is just really me cutting. So I'm going to play some music now, but I'm not getting copyrighted. So it's going to be a song from me, my friend.
No Skype, but your niggas see me every night. Licking my coochie with ice. Drowning in Blue's paradise. Sticks. Plus that my nigga move bricks. I point at a nigga, that's it. Promise you he won't be missed. Make that nigga eat a Zan. Hit him right before he land. Run up his wallets and bands. Make that nigga eat a Zan. Hit him right before he land. Run up his wallets and bands. Bitch, I ain't your bae. Bitch, I ain't your bae. Come and play with me, I'ma leave you where you lay. I don't like water, but this Draco can't spray. My mama told me never.
Okay, so it might sound like a bad idea, but the way you have to sew things inside out, basically. So, as you can see here, you can't see the M&M, like the M&M is on the inside. So that's the way we're gonna sew. So right now, I'm just flipping it over on the sides, because you don't want to like pin them edge to edge. You want to like give it some like space. So you want to flip it over, get a little flap there, and then you pin it in like I'm doing right now.
My mama told me never do dirt while I lay, so I'm coming at your neck, now I'm coming at your throat. Ho, stop playing, fire crack it like a joke. Whole lot of money, got a whole lot of guano. Tell that fuck nigga I said stop popping my collar. Your nigga eat pussy like soup out of can. Pussy asshole, I don't want your man. But if he got pressure, then I shouldn't have can. I'll take your nigga, be gone with the wind. Wait, come back. I'm rhyming like cat in a hat. Yo nigga too close, you move back. Ayy, he using that condo on trap, May. Fuck on that nigga like everywhere. Beat that hoe up like she stole some. Walk in your home like I'm home, son. I'm snapping. That shit ain't fuck, he just capping. He give me top and won't stop. And I'm busting just like that clock.
So it gets real repetitive here. You're literally just sewing the parts you pinned. So I don't really like show all of it because it's the same thing over and over again. But here is your finished product.
I like cash in my hair to my ass. Do the dash, can you make it go fast? Fuck the fame.
Alright, well, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.